Good morning, students. Today we are going to study section 4 of Unit 2, Super Sherpa Rewrites Everest Story. This is the story of a Sherpa who climbed Mount Everest around 18 times. Let us start. Appa Tenzing Sherpa is regarded as king of Mount Everest since 1999. When he summited Mount Everest for the 10th time and established an unbroken record. 48-year-old Appa Sherpa became Super Sherpa, scaling the peak for an unbelievable 18th time. The name of Appa Tenzing Sherpa is considered as the king of Mount Everest, and he is 48 years old and become Super Sherpa as he climbed Mount Everest for 18th time. I am very pleased to inform you that Appa Sherpa reached the summit of Mount Everest for a record 18th time at 5:45 a.m. on May 22, 2008, said Ang Sering Sherpa, president of Nepal Mountaineering Association that promotes mountaineering in the Himalayan nation. It was declared by president of Nepal Mountaineering Association that Appa Sherpa has climbed the Mount Everest for 18th time on 22nd of May 2008. Ang Mingma Sharma of Thama village was with him, and he was accompanied by Ang Mingma Sherpa of Thame village. Appa, who said his family wanted him to hang up his climbing boots after a successful summit last year, initially had no plans to make yet another attempt. He was tending his garments business and improving his English in the Salt Lake Valley in the US when he heard that the son of Ang Sering, his former employer, was leading an expedition to Mount Everest to raise awareness about the dangers of global warming in the Himalayas and the potential flood threat to the Khumbu Valley, regarded as the gateway to the Everest region. एप्पा ने अपना मतलब माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइंबिंग को रोक दिया था when he successfully did last attempt in last year. Initially उसका कोई प्लान नहीं था to make another attempt, पर and he was running his garment business and he went to US for improving his English, but suddenly he came to know that Ang Sering son is leading an expedition to Mount Everest so that they can make people aware of global warming in Himalayas. And जो बाढ़ से जो खतरे हैं खुम्बू वैली में उनके बारे में लोगों को जानकारी देने के लिए उन्होंने एक एक्सपेडिशन की तैयारी करी है. We have plenty of water now, but in 30 years there may be no water, Appa said. Appa had told the media before starting out for the summit. We need to tell people so they can make changes and be prepared. शेरपा का कहना है कि अभी हमारे पास बहुत पानी है, पर अगले 30 सालों में हमारे पास पानी नहीं बचेगा. एंड इस कारण से हमको लोगों को उसके बारे में जागरूक करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू मेक चेंजेस accordingly so that we can preserve and save water, and also make required changes in our surroundings to save water. From 1990, when he made his debut, Ascent, he has summited regularly almost every year, barring 1996 and 2001. In 1992, he reached the top twice on May 12 and October 7. 1990 से शेरपा ने शुरुआत किया एंड सिंस देन 1990 के बाद से ऑलमोस्ट वो हर ईयर he is doing his summit to Mount Everest. सिर्फ 1996 और 2001 को अगर छोड़ दे तो in 1992 he reached at the top of Mount Everest twice on 12th May and October 7. Rest of the chapter we will study in next video.